Come test drive the 2007 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.